Hey, welcome back to our Monday Live. It's Monday Live with MJ and attorney Hermes, where we kick off the week on a brighter side. This Monday, we will start with really great spirit. How do we do that? I will talk about the intention of waking up and breathing in, exhaling, breathing in 3 seconds or more, exhaling. And one thing I've learned from our church during Lent was to breathe in and say, Jesus, I love you. 3 times of that. Or you could always say, Jesus, inhale, heal me today. Or Jesus, inhale and exhale with, be with me today in my journey. And to start our Monday on our emotional side, let's hear from attorney Hermes.
Good morning, everybody. Like she said, we want to stir the emotion. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you can do when you wake up is think about something or someone that just fills you with joy. Whether it's your husband or your wife, maybe it's your kids that you wake up every day for. Now think of that, hold on to that, and that is going to fill you with hope, and it's going to fill you with an intense drive for the day. We're going to do that today. We're going to think about all the positivity things in our life. Now we're going to bring MJ back, and we're going to talk about fitness.
And for a fitness side, it's always great to start it with stretching, right? Stretching to let our body breathe. But what about if you want to stretch it and put a little bit of sway in it? And turn. And turn. And that will be for your physical fitness today. And let's get back with our finance side. You know, we're doing spiritual, emotional, physical, and social side.
Now, let's talk finance. Today is Monday. So what's the perfect day of the week to start something new? It's on a Monday. So we're going to think about ways to save a little bit more, maybe spend a little less, or maybe you're just planning for a future investment. Whatever it is, you want to have your intentions start today so that we can actually achieve those goals. That's one way we're going to get to financial freedom in the future. Hope you're following along, and we're going to bring MJ back.
Please stay with us on more of our Monday Live every Monday. We promise you that we will be back live here at Check This Out. Stay fit spiritually.
Stay emotionally healthy.
Stay fit and conquer your day, your week. You know, our body is a powerhouse. We will fill it in with really joyful spirit, happy heart, fit body, and
stay focused on your finances.
See you next time. Ciao, everybody.
Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.